failure of a mother's availability, frustrating the needs for attachment, activates the separation panic system. So at the bottom, those affective systems serve to motivate the baby to interact in specific ways with the environment, depending on the specific bodily need that has to be met. And they are complex packages that have a subjective quality. They are the primary origins of consciousness. Consciousness is a property of the central nervous system, originates with the activation of affects. And the affects are either pleasurable in the case of the positive affects, or negative in the case of negative affects. And they are contributed by the information that the body has of internal needs and external environment. So the cognition, the visual cognition of the environment stimulates the activation of affect. The analysis of the environment, the behavior of mother by the mirror neuronal system. So there are automatic cognitive functions that permit the baby to perceive and quickly interpret the meaning for him of the interaction with the environment under the dominance of certain affects. And mother contributes, of course, by primary maternal preoccupation, by the signals she gives of the attention to the baby, and by her reading the baby's affects that are expressed in the physical manifestations, particularly the facial expression of the baby. And so there develops an affective congruence between baby and mother,